In a bid to enhance food safety and quality in Nigeria, the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare has convened a validation workshop for the draft national policy on food safety and quality, addressing critical gaps in the 2014 document. The initiative responds to Nigeria's urgent need for an improved food safety system, aiming to curb disease outbreaks and enhance overall public health. KAFTAN TV correspondent Benedict Uko reports that the aim is to fortify the country's food safety sector with a more robust and comprehensive policy.
As Nigeria grapples with unhygienic conditions leading to post-harvest losses in contaminated foods, contributing to the rise in disease outbreaks, the federal government has revealed the need for the country to adopt an improved and effective food safety system. This is as the National Food Safety and Quality Program under the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare has embarked on the review and validation of Draft National Policy on Food Safety and Quality and its Implementation Plan 2023. Speaking during the validation workshop today in Abuja, Director and National Coordinator of Food Safety and Quality Program, John Atonda, acknowledged that the revised policy document addresses a spectrum of food safety concerns, including biological hazards, chemical contaminants, food fraud, adulteration, antimicrobial resistance, and others.
Policy was developed to take care of the gaps that were identified in the previous edition. And then also, for the past, let's say, maybe about 7 years, there have been some emerging food safety issues, like issue of antimicrobial resistance, the issue of cold chain, the issue of healthy food, and the trans fatty acid and all those others, sodium causing cardiovascular disease and all those things. So this policy, country need to have an overarching policy that will take care of all those things that have to do our food safety concern. Policy have about 5 different goals. One is it's meant to modernize the food safety system in the country. So it's assign roles and responsibility to different stakeholders. It's also help to reduce the incidences of outbreak of diseases arising from consumption of unwholesome food.
Citing research statistics revealing over 200,000 reported cases of food poisoning and contamination-related deaths annually in Nigeria, the Director, Health, Food, Chemical, Cosmetics and Water Safety Division, Federal Ministry of Health, highlighted the pressing need for an enhanced policy to strengthen food safety and quality in Nigeria.
This national policy on food safety and implementation strategy is developed to meet the needs of the country in adopting and implementing a modern and effective national food safety system based on the government determination to modernize and strengthen its food safety control and management system in line with global best practices and standards. The Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare and its partners have reviewed the existing national food safety policy document to address the identified inherent gaps. The version will provide the framework for upgrading national capacity to develop and operate an integrated food safety control system to achieve more effective collaboration and coordination between agencies responsible for food quality control system in Nigeria.
Other representatives from ministries, departments and agencies stressed the need for the country to modernize its food safety control system, starting first with enacting regulations and framework to ensure safer and higher quality food for its citizens.
There are so many policies and there are so many of them. Implementation is key. Implementation is very important. So in NAFDAC, we are always ready to collaborate towards implementation of any policy that is within our mandates. We are here to promise that we will do our possible best to see that food safety in this nation is of very important, is taken very seriously.
Food safety is a major problem that we are facing in this country. In as much as the farmers will go to the farm and whatever they are doing, they will do it right. but no processing. Before you know it, they will lose. I believe with this implementation, everybody will be happy.
The policy document was initiated to provide the government with a framework to modernize the national food safety control system in alignment with international standards. It provides a comprehensive framework for food safety activities, regulating pesticide use, minimizing outbreaks, and assigning responsibilities to relevant stakeholders.